Welcome to Crestron Toolbox tutorial. DMTool is a tool that is built into Crestron Toolbox. DM allows you to route video and adjust settings on some card-based digital media matrices. Let's connect to the digital media 8x8 chassis switcher in this example. There are different configuration settings. For example, edit the names on the inputs and outputs, load edit files created in the edit tool, and quick access to the help file. The checkboxes allow different source routing options, such as breakaway audio and USB. If we scroll down, you'll see that inputs are on the left and outputs are on the right. If a card is not installed in one of the slots, it will show up as an empty slot. Some, but not all cards, have dedicated setup menus. Let's take a look at one of these. Incoming stream shows you the video information being fed in. Edit allows you to change the edit templates. The audio menu, if available, may provide DSP time delays, compensation, and volume adjustments. Generally, these are set in programming, but you can also set them here. We'll close this window and take a look at the rest of the tool. Under Outputs, we can access setup menus for each card if available and route video. If you press the drop-down, you can select any of the inputs. The line coming out of the card may go to a room box, or it may go directly to a display. You will see the resolution and other information on the line coming out of the card. The same thing goes for input cards. Let's follow the path from an input to the output. It starts here on the left and goes to the right, comes out here and goes out into the scaler, then it goes to the display. A test report is one of the most useful features of the DM tool. It allows you to document input cards, output cards, transmitters, and receivers. Information like model names, serial numbers, and edit data is gathered automatically. This is something TrueBlue support will need to assist you in any troubleshooting. It is also recommended you run this when you commission, arrive at a job site, or are about to leave. The reason for this is, you are essentially taking a snapshot of a DM chassis and the current state of your system. Notice how it creates multiple files. You can either print it to a PDF like this, or you can save multiple files into a zip so they are easier to move around. An endpoint may be a transmitter or a receiver. It may have various options, outputs, scaling, etc. that you can configure. What you see will depend on the specific product you are using. Notice how DMTool automatically opened this endpoint by using its port. Since DM networks use private network mode, each endpoint is assigned a specific port number. For more information on private network mode, consult Crestron Online Help. Since this endpoint is a scaler, you can adjust the scaling settings. You may have noticed the lines coming in and out of each device have colors or variations. To see what each color signifies, go to the Help file by pressing the Help button. Here, we can look at what each color means. The Help file is also an important and useful point of reference for DMTool. Thank you for watching.